So this is our newest branch. This is already the third existing branch of Apollo here in Cagayan de Oro. For all of us, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Apollo is proudly Cagayanon. It's homegrown here in Cagayan, and we are the fastest growing furniture store. I believe we are the only furniture store here in Cagayan de Oro who has 3 stores around the city. So we are very proud, we are very humble of that fact, and we are very happy that during this, for the first week of our newest branch here in Cagayan de Oro, we have this opportunity to have no less than Miss Cagayan de Oro, Miss Gwyneth Jemima Chan. So again, we are very thankful to have you here, ma'am.
Having me also, sir.
Yes. So, if, nakapaglipad ka naman na kanina, ma'am, what are the, yung mga bagay, furnitures na kinoconsider mo na mabili maya after ng live natin? Or kunin as your price?
I am actually, sa mga cabinets na may mirror. Because as someone na mahilig mag-dress up, to look myself in the mirror. So, yeah, we'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
So yeah, we have mirrors. Actually, we have we have also items like, we have smart tables.
Yes.
So I think it's very fitting, for a queen. It's smart. It's very powerful. It does a lot of things, and that's one of the items na we are very proud of, one of our flagship items. But you said it right, na one of our best sellers as well are wardrobes.
Yeah.
Actually, fun fact, the very first item that was sold by our founders, was a all-purpose steel cabinet.
Oh.
I think that's one of the things that I'm proud of working here in Apollo, and I think we share this we share this with you, is that Apollo is a story.
Yes.
It's a story of aspiration, of dreaming. Because our founders nagsimula sila sa pangarap just like you. So I think it's if ang ating mga followers for today will have a takeaway aside from the raffle, is that dreams do come true.
Yes.
Right? And if you put enough effort, everything is going to you're going to achieve your dreams. One step, one day at a time.
Right.
Ms. Gwyneth, can you give us for one last question for today's live video? We have many viewers right now, and even after the live, I know maraming magre-replay ng video. If there's one message you would want to your followers or other aspiring young people out there wants to achieve their dreams, if there's one, if you have a message to be given to them as our new Miss Cagayan de Oro, what would it be?
To every aspiring beauty queen, or to every young Cagayanon who has a dream, my message to you is to never stop dreaming. Before I was able to wear this sash, I was a dreamer. Being Miss Cagayan de Oro was more than just a dream come true. It is a result of years of working and believing. And before, kung nasa man ako ngayon, before having the title as Miss Cagayan de Oro, I was once a young girl who dreamed. So never get tired of dreaming. And of course, have a heart that is full of passion and determination. And of course, patience. Patience, because I am here today because I believed and I trust the process. Because by being patient, you're actually understanding the pace of progress. that everything takes time, it takes a lot of love, and of course, an unwavering faith. So to everyone watching, never stop dreaming and believe in yourselves.
Wonderful, right? Everything that is great starts small, and everything that is great is worth waiting, right? So, and the long wait is over. Meron na tayong break. Muna tayo. And, yeah.
Step in the scene, it's feel right. Apollo's got the world-class light. Chairs are popping, beds to shine. Now let them get high, it's your time.
Good morning, Olympic guys.
You feel the vibe, it's sounding fast. Living or dining, it's all divine. Find your match, it's for every time. Now for the bold comfort that lasts. So that's how world-class comfort with a smile. Link and kind, now we're here. Furniture goes loud and clear. Let's make space for dancing nights and cozy days. Feel the love, come and see. Your dream home starts with a Polo, Mirror tables, leather flare. Chic designs beyond compare. Sofas where your crew can chill. Disco vibes with cozy feels. In that chair, strike a pose. Apollo's where the good vibes flow. One-stop shop for the glam and glow. At Limcat Car, let's steal the show.
All world-class furniture, always worth it.
With a smile, Limcat Car, now we're here. Furniture change loud and clear.
I called upon you, we need to open this branch, this 29, kasi mag-open si the Soldier Board. And you didn't answer me with no or maybe, sir, but you showed me na kaya natin buhawan talaga. And I think it is a preparation for everyone in the company, especially the leaders. I called upon you, we need to open this branch, this 29, kasi mag-open si the Soldier Board. And you You didn't answer me with no or maybe, sir, but you showed me na kaya na itong buhawan talaga. And I think it is a preparation for everyone in the company, especially.
Alright, yung kaninang napanood ninyo is nakita nyo yung iba't ibang mga branches namin. We have our first our main branch in Bulwa National Highway. Napakita rin natin yung branch natin at Ketkay, and kagaya ng binabanggit natin kanina, we are here at Apollo Uptown branch, and we are, for those of you who are nakatira dito malapit sa Uptown, our store is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So kitang-kita siya lalo pag gabi. Maliwanag kami dito sa taas. Sa third floor kami. Nasa taas kami ng Solid Mark. So this is a newly furnished, newly opened building. And we are very much happy, very much excited to welcome you here in Uptown Branch. Kanina, nakapaglibot-libot ka na sa, kamusta naman? Nag-enjoy ka naman ba sa pag-ikot dito, ma'am?
So, napaka-homey talaga dito sa Apollo. And of course, excited ako matry yung mga furniture. And of course, super comfy ng bed ng Apollo, guys. So, as a beauty queen, we need our rest.
Yes.
So, come and visit Apollo. So, welcome home.
Right. No, kasi actually, yung nabanggit mo, actually yun yung entry mo during the, yung bed. No, we spend our days, 1/3 of our day, sleeping. That's 1/3 of your life. No, so, we take, here at Apollo, we take sleeping seriously.
Yes.
So that's why we provide the best mattresses. Right. Yeah. So ano pang mga nakita niyo, ma'am, sa paglibot-libot niyo sa aming
actually kanina upon nag-video kami, so I got to sit sa mga couch, bed. So napakalambot. So, sa beauty queen, madaming schedule, busy schedule, but just by sitting, we can be relaxed. We can be, we feel so at home, and of course the comfort that Apollo Furniture gives us is top tier.
Right. Thank you very much. Kaya nga ang subtitle ng store namin is World Class Furniture. We believe that our every Cagayanon, CDO, Mindanao deserves. We're not just competing with Manila. We offer something more. We offer world-class beauty when world-class furnitures. Right. So we already have one winner of our Olivia Boltless Rack. So this is a gift from Ms. Gwyneth for her followers. So we have one winner. We're going to present. Okay, magra-raffle pa tayo. You're going to see the Roletta on the screen. Saan ba? Screen, Roletta.
Sino kaya, sir?
Right. Yung list na So, thank you very much sa mga nanonood, sa mga viewers natin. It's always, do not forget the hashtag na dapat nasa post ninyo. That's Win with Apollo. Hashtag Win with Apollo. Okay. So after this, ma'am, it's been magiging mahabang taon.
Yes.
Ano na mga ayan na, mayroon na naka-present del Roletta. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Let's spin the wheel, and our first winner of Olivia Boltless Rack would be Ryan Sandigan.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sir Ryan Sandigan. Kung naririnig mo kami, kung nandyan ka, kindly comment. Congratulations. Kindly claim your prizes before October 2025. So, aside from Ryan Sandigan, we would like to give a huge thanks to our viewers. Lahat tayo ay winner for this. Ang Apollo ay winners at the same time to have Miss Cagayan de Oro in our midst for today. Busy schedule, but she's here with us today. Again, we cannot thank you enough, Ms. Gwyneth, for having you for this afternoon.
Thank you also so much, sir. And of course, Apollo family for having me today.
Right. Sana, ayun, kaya nung binanggit ni Ma'am, no, Apollo family. You are already part of Apollo family.
Thank you.
Welcome. And we are looking forward for more exciting live, hopefully, or exciting project in the coming days and the coming months. And yeah. So to end, we would like to, let's end this live with, okay, let's go with final words from Ms. Gwyneth. Final words from final words and words of gratitude from you. And from you for your followers.
So hello mga higala, this is Gwyneth Jemima Chan, your Miss Cagayan de Oro 2025, and I would love to thank every one of you who supported me since day one. So every like, comment, and share means a lot to me, and of course to my family. I know they're watching right now. Thank you so much for your endless support, to my friends, and of course, to every Cagayanon who showed their support. Thank you so much. And as your reigning queen, I will not disappoint and I will do my duties responsibly. So see you when I see you guys.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Gwyneth Jemima Chan. And thank you for joining us in this live. I am Chino Carandang from Apollo Fam. Hola, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.